Here is another tip for passing the DMV written test the first time. You know how you go to the doctor and they check your eyes? Guess what? When you go to the DMV, that's what they're going to do. After you pass the exam, they're going to test your eyes. They want to know if you have a 20/40 vision. Therefore, it's important if you wear glasses to read, if you wear glasses to see near or far, it's important to wear whatever you need to read. So that way the test is accurate. So take with you everything that you need to pass that part of the exam. An eye exam is important. A young lady who I helped just last year was driving and she could not see the signs. Every time I said, do you see that sign over there? Do you see that green sign? What does it say? She said, oh no, I can't see. Well, if you're going to drive in the United States of America or anywhere in the world, you need to be able to see. So it's important that you have a doctor examine your eyes so that you have the proper reading lenses. So when you take the exam, you can see everything clearly. Okay, it's important. So if you need further information, I don't want you to be like this young lady who I helped last year. If you need further information, go to my website. Get all the information that you need. You need a 20/40 vision. What is it? A 20/40 vision to pass the test. Okay? Thank you. I look forward to helping you further. If you go to my website, www.paulinaaparker.com, you have more information there. Thank you.